Welcome to lesson 1, where I actually teach you how to make money online. No, sorry. How to use ChatGPT to make AI animations. Okay, so this is going to be a lesson about how I use ChatGPT, how I do the script writing, how I do the art designs, and how I don't bore you with that and I just move to the important parts, right? So let's not waste your time. Grab your coffee, grab your protein shake or whatsoever. Stay hydrated, caffeinated, energized, motivated, and let's go. Guys, can I ask you something? I'm really teaching you for free, but can you please subscribe to me? Thank you. It's really hard, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's get serious because I know and I heard that some of you have not used ChatGPT before, and I'm here to teach you and act and think you're 5 years old and make it really easy for you. So the first thing you do is open your laptop or your PC or your phone, whatever, and chat openai.com, and the first thing that comes up is ChatGPT, so you can go there and voila, sign up, log in if you don't have an account. It takes 30 seconds, guys, and you know what next? Chat like this opens up for you, okay? Here is your main chat area, and you can type in it anything you want and anything you desire to. I'm here to teach you what is the difference between the pro version and the free version. So basically the pro version gives you ability to create projects and create folders to make everything more organized for yourself. But I'm not here to advertise the pro version, because I myself do not have the pro version and I don't need it. But the pro version basically gives you faster abilities, more analyzation, helps you to upload images in there, and also it helps you to create projects. And if you think ChatGPT's normal whatever is not enough for you, go for the pro. But if not, the free one does the work. Thank you ChatGPT, and thank you OpenAI for giving us this ability. Anyways, and if you want to talk to it, don't talk to it as if it's like Google. You should talk to it and make it like the person you want. For example, in our case, we should say, act as an animation director and give us blah, blah, blah. Or if I was an accountant, I would say, act as an accountant, blah, blah, blah. Okay? This is the pro tip I can give you today. So whenever you want to use ChatGPT in the open area, you should say, act as a director and direct this animation idea for me. Okay, and don't worry if you have any misspelling, ChatGPT understand. But the next important thing I should teach you here, in this part, you can see the personalization. Okay, the personalization, you go there. In the custom instruction, you should always indicate Midjourney's rules, because ChatGPT is still stupid and cannot understand that Midjourney has some rules that can ban your account in seconds. Okay, this happened to me 6 times. I learned this in a hard way. You don't want to do it. You should do it in the smart way. So that's why I'm here, right? So anyways, in the custom instruction, you indicate all the Midjourney rules. I will add the Midjourney rules in the descriptions for you. So you just copy paste it in your instructions area, and voila. From now on, whenever it gives you prompts and whatever it gives you will be based on Midjourney rules, guys. And let's move to the next part, right? Okay, perfect. So now that we know how to set up our ChatGPT and how to talk to it as an art director assistant for us, this is the time to indicate what kind of art you want to do. Like in my case, I like animated styles, okay? I always look for stylish anime, luxury anime. It could be anything I want to. But if you don't know your name, for example, if you don't know what kind of art you're looking for and you're stupid like me, you can just simply go to Google and search art styles. Here, I have searched art styles, you see? And whatever it comes, for example, maybe I like the first one, maybe I like the second one. You know what I do? I just simply take a screenshot or save it on my laptop and upload it on ChatGPT and say, listen, ChatGPT, can you please analyze this art style for me? And it gives me the results. And voila, you know what the art style looks like. You know the mood, you know the color style, you know the palette, you know what kind of lining has been used on this art. Let's do it. For example, I like this girl. Why not? She's pretty, right? I'll just take it and put it in ChatGPT and say, "Hi, cutie, can you please analyze this art style for me and tell me all the details about it?" Let's wait. My cutie is not working.
2 hours later.
Voila! The answer has been given to us. You can see the overall style, the line work, the color palette, the lighting and mood, the character designs. Guys, these are really important because if you want to make an animation which has the consistent art style and the art style doesn't differentiate in each frame, you have to have these information of the art you want by heart. This is really important, okay? So now that you have this, you see on the last part it says, "Would you like me to create a Midjourney style prompt for you to replicate or expand on this aesthetic? Create a new character in the style art?" Yes, you're perfect. You know what we should ask him next? I'll tell you. Let's break for now and let's take a coffee. Let's drink some water. Because on the next format, we're gonna make our animation together. Okay, perfect. We know our art style. We know what we want to do. We know how to talk to ChatGPT and how to ask it how to be our art director assistant, right? But there's one more thing you need to know, and that is the camera angles, guys. As a person who is trying to make animations and direct them in a way that make people want to watch your animation, you have to know camera angles. Camera angles makes them more related to, makes the animation more understanding. And what do I mean by that? Look at these pictures I'm giving you. Wide shot, close up, low angle, high angle, POV, over the shoulder. You know, all of these steps, guys, these are important because each frame of your animation will be through one of these shots. And sometimes for people to make more related to your animation, you have to know these shots, okay? And you have to indicate them in your animation. Anyways, this is the time that we go to ChatGPT and we ask it, "Hello, this is the idea I have. Please put it in 40 frames for me with different camera angles and act as an art director. Let's do it together." For example, I go to it. I want to make animation about a girl walking alone in Tokyo City and give 40 frames for this animation idea with different camera angles directed in a way as if you are an art director. Let's see the magic now. Wow, this is beautiful. Act 1. You see the camera angles, you see how perfect, how smart ChatGPT is. But it's not good to always trust on ChatGPT, and it's always good to use your own creativity. Sometimes when you put this frame by frames in action on Midjourney, you see it's missing something, and this is where you come. This is where AI cannot do your job, and that's why you are the person who is making them, and that's where you get your own credit, okay? So far, we have our animation frame by frame, and from the next move, ChatGPT we can ask ChatGPT, "Listen, let's do 5 by 5 and turn these into Midjourney prompts. Thanks." And thank you to ChatGPT. It's really easy now. It's not a hard thing to do. From now on, we can just copy paste these and get the result we want. Let's see. Let's open Midjourney. Guys, this is the Midjourney I'm using, is the $60 version. So this is what I ask you to buy also, because in order to make animations, you really need this. This is the money that will be worth it in the end. And also I'm using the fast style for you because we're making this video. But let's see the results. Perfect. You see, in the art style we asked for, it's giving us. This is so beautiful. Wow, these are really beautiful. Can you imagine how pretty? Exactly the style we asked, so. And voila, you just copy paste them and you get what you want and your story is ready. You should just animate them in the way you want. And in the next videos, we're going to talk about how to animate these, how to get the sizes of the picture we desire, how to have whatever we want. But for now, I was just going to teach you how to use ChatGPT, how to get these frames, how to talk to it, the wide shots. I mean, the camera shots was important. The art style was important. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. I love you. Kisses. Bye.